Ndị nke m ndewonu. Taa ka anyị ga-egosi ihe onyonyo ebe Senetọ Orji Uzor Kalu kwara akwa. Biko, ọ bụrụ na ị ka edebanye aha ma ọ bụ soro anyị jiri obiọma mee ya, daalụ. Ndị ndọrọ ndọrọ ọchịchị Igbo kwesịrị ịma na ejighị ha kpọrọ ihe ọbụla n'obodo Naijiria. Ha kwesịrị ịmalite itinye ego ha na imepe ala Igbo. Lee ihe mere Orji Uzor Kalu. N'agbanyeghị ego niile o tinyere na Naijiria, Senetọ Orji Uzor Kalu kwara anya mmiri nke iru uju maka ihe ndị Naijiria mere ya. Lee onyonyo ya ebe a.
Mr. President, Deputy Senate President, my colleagues, I want to start by thanking all of you for being brothers keeper. Mine will be a little bit emotional because when I had problems in these chambers, I know that most of you stood behind me. And I want to thank, I have to mention a few senators. I have to thank Mr. President. I have to thank Senator Amosu, Senator Alero, Senator Goje, Senator Yahaya Abdullahi, and my deputy. Why I'm thanking them is that these people were with me throughout during the problems. And I thank the Vice President because he was coming to see me every week. Mr. President, today is the beginning of new friendship for all of us in the chambers. It's not the end of the old friendship we started. I want to thank my constituency for bringing me here. And I want to that coming here gives me a lot of latitude to understand Nigeria better, to understand what we stand for better, to fight more for united Nigeria. I believe that we are dispersing, not separating ourselves. I went through one of my best times in life in the Senate, and also went through one of my difficult periods. Also in this Senate, before I came to the Senate, before I came into politics, I can buy anything money can buy. I'm not a thief. Those that put me in prison know the reason they put me in prison. They took over all my businesses and want to kill me. But I survived it. I'm in the Senate with you. It's not the end of what we have done. It's not the end to united Nigeria. It's not the end to brothers keeper. But these senators I call, and it's all right. When the PDP that I was governor for 2 terms was being formed, I brought every money they used in forming that party. Every penny in 1997 and 98. And I later became a chief. And people I gave transport money from my house in VI became agents. This is what Nigeria represents. I want to thank my colleagues for giving me 4 years of uninterrupted support. Because this country is not fair to so many of us. I built this country, I employed 13,800 workers. People employing nobody, and nobody asked them their source of wealth. I have 3 factories in Lagos, Nigeria. I have 2 factories in Ota, build manufacturing. I have 3 factories in Abia, manufacturing. And I'm a thief. And people that cannot explain where their source of wealth comes from, they are not thieves. I leave everything in the hands of God. God is judge.